So now we have Paramjeet from Shopzilla. He's going to do a quick presentation on Shopzilla.
Hi everyone. Hi. Can everyone hear me? Okay, my name is Paramjeet Singh and I am Director of Data in Shopzilla. Quick overview about Shopzilla. Shopzilla is best known for its shopping comparison sites portfolio, and we cater to about 40 million unique visitors per month. And we are sending online leads to our merchants on cost per click model. Our vision is to help shoppers shop and sellers sell. The company was started in the year 1996 as Binary Compass. We launched BizRate in the year 1997 as a business rating service. And we started our shopping comparison websites in the year 99. We went global in the year 2004, and we are operating multiple sites right now in US, UK, France, Germany, Canada, and Brazil. We are a profit-making tech company which is currently here in Santa Monica. We have recently acquired a division called as Connexity, which is providing optimized media solutions and delivering targeting ads to our users. Our division Connexity, it finds Shopzilla users on other websites and deliver targeted ads to them. We have around 400 employees with offices in West LA, London, and India. Big data at Shopzilla. We receive 10,000 searches per second, 40 million monthly unique visitors. We have 2 billion page views per month. We are catering to more than 10,000 online retail merchants. We have 200 million inventory items that we receive from our merchants on a daily basis. We have one of the world's largest SCM system with keywords set in billions. Our new division, Connexity, that is a pioneer in online advertising, that is catering to 10 billion bid requests per day, 100 million ad impressions per day, and hundreds of millions of domains on a daily basis. So with this much amount of data set running daily, don't we have issues? Yes, we have. We have a lot of complicated issues that we solve on a daily basis. We need to make sense out of 200 million inventory items that we are receiving from our online merchants on a daily basis. We need to classify them, we need to understand what the products are, what are the various attributes are, and we stream them using our WorldDB. We need to keep on updating our search indexes multiple times a day. So whatever inventory data we are getting from our online merchants, we can show on our websites so that we can show the effective bids, whatever is running on the sites. We empower a lot of publishers and affiliates in terms of size and complexity of buying traffic from outside. We are in the top 5 with Amazon and eBay. We have a lot of data science in all of the operations we do. We are so confident about our Hadoop pipeline that we have recently replaced our pipeline, which was written in Perl and Oracle. We have now converted it over to Hadoop. We have multiple Hadoop clusters which are running SLA-driven batch jobs, and we have a separate cluster just for running data science. We run our own bidder across 8 real-time bidding exchanges, giving us an opportunity to bid on ad slots for 95% of internet users. So in a nutshell, we are a profit-making, mid-sized, tech-heavy company with startup attitude and agility. You can find wealth of information in our tech blog. We also sponsor Los Angeles Hadoop user group meetings. Our next meeting is scheduled on June 24th, and Karthik from Cloudera is going to present on Yarn. And if you are passionate about creating information and if you are serious about using Hadoop, please check our website www.shopzilla.com careers, or you can email us at jobs@shopzilla.com. Thank you so much.